Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in the southwest of Las Vegas, and we're going to be checking out a community by Taylor Morrison in the community of Havenwood. And for today's property tour, we're going to be checking out Floor Plan Rose. Also, guys, if this is your first time tuning into my channel and you want to stay up to date with all the new builds here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that notification bell. That way, you are the first to learn on any upcoming new builds. Now, let's get started. All right, guys, so here we are in the community of Havenwood by Taylor Morrison in the southwest of Las Vegas. And just right over there, guys, that's Blue Diamond Road right over there. So a very good location if you're trying to stay close to the southwest end and close to the airport, because the airport's probably about 15 minutes away from here or so, give or take. But here we have Floor Plan Rose. And in this community, it's all single-story homes. You can't really see from here, but I mean, you got some right over there, and then right over there across the street as well. And this one right here either comes in 2,531 square feet up to 2,756 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, single-story home, and it either comes either a 2 or 3 car garage. And this one, the starting base price is $628,900. They do, as of making this video, they do have a quick move-in ready, and that one out the door, guys, with the lots and the upgrades, it's at $735,000 out the door, guys. The only thing, it does not have the multi-gen suite in that one. And the HOA here is only $95 a month. They are only going to be building 30 homes, so very, very small community. Let's go inside and check it out. Obviously, the office right there would be your 2-car garage, and right there is that that Nextgen suite. I cannot wait to show you. Actually, what they call multi-gen suite here. So different builders have their different names for it. But here's the entrance. As soon as you come in, I would show you there, but they have that multi-gen lock, so we'll see it from the inside. Here's the entrance. As soon as you come in, straight ahead is going to be your living room area. And then right there you do have a den. We'll see that in just a second. And you also have 9-foot ceilings. But here off to the left is where you're going to have the 3 bedrooms on this side. So let's start on this side, and then we'll work our way back around that way. So first, you guys are lucky, we're gonna see the Nextgen suite. So also notice they do have 8-foot doors as well, with nice tall doors. And if you're not familiar with a multi-gen is, it's pretty much simplified a home inside your home. And you'll see in just a second what I'm talking about. So here, you're gonna have your own full bathroom. Check it out. And this door right here is going to be your own entrance, but you're also going to have your private entrance like we seen in the beginning before coming into the house. And I'll show you guys that as well. Then here is your bedroom. This is perfect if you have maybe your parents moving in with you, roommates, uncle, aunts, mother, father-in-law, or maybe just to yourself. You also have a closet right there. Then right over here, so you have like your living room and dining room area and kitchenette as well. Check it out. So you could pretty much live on this side of the house and not use the whole house. So that's why I said it's perfect if you're gonna rent it out. That door right there, let me show you. So you come in and out right here. So see how we came into the entrance? So if you're renting this out, or maybe you have somebody just staying here, they'll have their own private entrance. So come in, and voila, it's a multi-gen suite right here. So pretty neat. Let me know in the comments below if this is something that you could benefit from, you would like in your home. Definitely love to hear your thoughts. But look at nice living room. You got nice 2 windows right there in the front. And you got like dining space area right here. So you got a sink, and then you have a cooler right there. The only thing is you do not have a stove, guys. And a microwave, so you could probably put a countertop microwave or something right there. But yeah, here it is. What do you guys think? So essentially, I mean, you don't have to, but if you really wanted, like if you're renting this out, you don't want to have access to the house, you could just literally lock that door, maybe put a deadbolt lock and just have the lock on the other side, and they really won't have access to come inside the house just to this multi-gen. So just to give you guys an idea of what you could do with this space. Then right here off to the right, you do have your hallway full bathroom. You got the combo prefabricated tub stand-up shower, dual vanity. And then here off to the left is bedroom number 2. I'll give you guys a view from this angle. Definitely do love how the tall closets and doors as well. So complements very well with the high ceilings. Let me know if you're a fan of high ceilings or you prefer low. Some people, believe it or not, don't like it. Some do, so we have it all. Here's the 3rd bedroom. They just have it staged as a fitness room. Then here is your laundry room. And check this out, guys. So see that door right there? I'm gonna show you guys in just a second. I'm not gonna walk through there because I don't want to confuse you on this layout. But that is your primary bedroom, primary closet. So it would make it easy to do laundry and head straight to your primary bedroom. But we'll walk on the other way around. That way I just don't want to confuse you on this layout. Just how you would normally walk this layout if you lived here. Maybe once you live here, you'll take the shortcut. Nothing behind these doors, nope. But yeah, here's your laundry room. So now let's walk over here to the, check out the den and then the living room. If you guys are enjoying this video, guys, do me a favor, smash the like button. Also subscribe to my channel and tap that bell for notifications. That way you don't miss any upcoming property tours. So here to the right, you got a den. And then if you go straight ahead, you got the living room. So first, let's check out this den right here. This would be a nice office space for you. I know I could benefit from something like this. You can make it into a fitness room, playroom, man cave, whatever you wish to, guys. But here it is. Let's go over here. Then here to the left, you are gonna have your powder room right here. Let me actually turn on this light because it is off. So here it is, currently using as the builder's primary bathroom, so I do apologize. And that would be to your 2-car garage, currently the sales office. Also, another thing, guys, I know I mentioned the price of starting at $628,900. Keep in mind, guys, that is just the base price. So that doesn't include your upgrades. And it all depends, right? You know, some people that just buy a home standard and have 0 upgrades, or there's some people that put $100K in upgrades. It just depends on the type of person you are and what type of upgrades you would like for your home. Check this out, guys. Like for example, that quick move-in ready at $735, I mean, you do the math. It's a little over $100K in just upgrades they probably put in that home with your lot premiums as well included. But look at this, I mean, very good sized living room, in my opinion. Let me know if you agree or disagree. And it's okay to disagree, guys. And then right over here, you got your dining. Nice size, and then check out your kitchen, guys. I am really digging this kitchen. I definitely love the white with the black handles. And then check this out. You got the quartz countertop with like grayish, brownish vanes, nice pendant lighting, built-in. Looks like you got a microwave and oven. Got to make sure because sometimes they do dual ovens. You got the countertop stove, stainless steel hood. Let's see if these are soft close or not, and they are not. Really nice backsplash as well. So keep in mind, guys, these homes are heavily upgraded. I know it's a model home, so they definitely put out the best product to wow you. So you won't get all these upgrades unless you upgrade. So just a heads up. Here's your dishwasher. You got your undermount stainless steel sink. But look at this, guys. I mean, definitely plenty of cabinet space. Then the island, I didn't mention it, but it's a nice sized island. Easy seats 3 to 4 people. Then right here, you have your pantry. Okay, so then right over there is a primary bedroom, but before we go to the primary bedroom, let me go outside and show you the backyard. Let's see if we have access to it, not too sure. Looks like we do. So here, agent told me the smallest lot here is 6,500 square foot lots. But I mean, being that this one's actually gonna be the biggest floor plan here available. There's a total of 4 different floor plans available in this community. This one is the biggest one. So it's definitely gonna take up a lot of your lot space. Let me just come over here to show you guys real quick. Yeah, looks like you got 2 AC units. But this would be your lot size pretty much, because they start at 6,500 square foot up to like 7,500 square foot lots. Also, another thing to keep in mind, you're not gonna get this landscaping, guys. You're just gonna get a clean slate. So that is something to keep in mind, guys. You're just gonna get dirt. Now let's go back inside and check out the primary bedroom. Let me close this door real quick. Cool. So let's go over here. Also, as we head over there, guys, just a quick heads up, guys. If you guys are thinking about buying a new build home and want someone like me, or maybe you already have a realtor you trust to help, make sure that we come with you on that first visit with the builder. If not, the builder might not let us help you later. Why have your own realtor? Well, we're here to look out for you, give you honest advice, and make sure you get the best deal and take advantage of all the incentives that a lot of people don't know of. Builders, realtors are great guys, nothing against them, but at the end of the day, they do work for the builders. So always recommend have your outside representation. Here's a primary bedroom, guys. Very nice and spacious. I mean, that's a king size bed. The nightstand's around like 3 feet wide. Just look at all the space you just have here up front. Really nice and spacious. You got 4 windows in here. And right over here, your primary bathroom. Check this out, guys. Dual vanity, the can lighting. Check out this shower right here. You got the waterfall. You got a nice bench right over there. You can't see it because of the reflection of the glass, but let me walk in here real quick to show you. Look at that. What do you guys think of the shower? You like it, you don't? What do you think of the tile too, the color? I actually like it, but you might feel different, so it's okay. Then, let me back up a little. So you got your walk-in closet, and then right over here, you have your toilet. So let me, before we walk in that closet, I'll give you guys a view from this angle. I dig it, I like it. Then right here is your primary closet. Good size. And I'll show you in just a second when I'm talking about the laundry room. So you will have, at least this model home has access into the laundry room. So this is very Because if it didn't have it, I mean, just think of walking all the way around the house, coming around to the hallway this way, just to go to the laundry room. So this is definitely makes that a shorter walk for you guys. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you guys think of this floor plan. Is it something that you like, you don't like? Would definitely love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Also, guys, if there's any questions or anything in the world I can help you guys out with, I'll have my contact info in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. Give me a call, shoot me a text. Doesn't matter, guys. If you guys are planning to buy in the next 7 days, 90 days, 6 months, a year, doesn't matter, guys. Give me a call. Let's put a game plan together. And I would definitely love the opportunity to assist you. And as always, guys, if you guys enjoyed this property tour, do me a favor. Like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. That way you don't miss any upcoming property tours. Until next time, guys.